blood will flow as millions of animals will lay down their lives to please Almighty Allah, the most barbaric day of the year. The reminiscence of the barbaric past still haunts us. Blood will flow to please Almighty Allah. Quran says, the blood or the flesh won't reach Allah, but the intention will. What is the intention? The intention might be you are ready to sacrifice anything for the pleasure of Almighty Allah. Hell with it. Why do I have to please Allah? I am a human being, and my purpose of life should be to make myself happy first, and I am not happy seeing animal offerings to a God up there. Doesn't make sense to me. He doesn't need blood. He doesn't need meat. At the same time, we are offering sacrifices of animals to him. What sacrifice am I making? If anyone is sacrificing his life, well, it has to be Mr. Cow himself. Because Mr. Cow or Mr. Goat or Mr. Camel might be the ones who are sacrificing their lives to end up in your tummy. Quran is full of confusion. It is not clear whom Abraham wanted to sacrifice or whom Abraham wanted to slaughter, basically. Was it Ishaq or was it Ishmael? In Bible, it was Ishaq. Muslims say it was Ishmael, but Quran doesn't mention the name. Quran doesn't even mention that God made Abraham have that dream of sacrificing his own son. Rather, I think it was the devil who had given Abraham that dream. Or he might have had a good drink the previous night. Or Abraham probably was having a strange dream following a booze in the local pub house. I don't have to please God, especially if He had made me the way I am. Why do I have to be grateful to Him? Why do I have to please a God who is greedy, selfish, obsessive, and narcissistic? Why do I have to please a God who demands animal slaughtering? How am I serving any good God in that way? That God must be evil, sheer evil. Yes, I eat meat. Yes, I have, canine teeth. But I don't celebrate. I eat because I'm made that way. But still, my humanity forbids me from celebrating the kill. Why do I have to pick a certain day to celebrate killing of animals? Why do I have to celebrate a particular day when I have to be barbaric to survive? Killing can't be celebratory. I won't bow down to a bloodthirsty God. Moreover, Eid is not even there in the Quran. Forget about picking the Eid day as a day to offer blood sacrifices.